Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about downloading and installing the Canon PIXMA G620 printer drivers. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is start by opening up a web browser of your choice. So I'm going to open up Google Chrome for today's tutorial. And I'm going to go ahead and search for Canon PIXMA G620 driver download. Go ahead and search for that. Should be one of the best results, should be from a Canon domain here. So go ahead and open that up. And I'm going to select the drivers and downloads button. And then I'm going to select the G600 series driver setup package. I'm going to go ahead and select. And then I'm going to select the red download button. Once the driver is done downloading, I'm going to go ahead and open it up to run it and select yes if I receive a user account control prompt. Select the Start Setup button. Select Next. You want to agree to the license terms. And if you want to allow additional Canon services, you can agree to them, except if you don't, and you can select Do Not Agree. Again, you're welcome to read all of that if you choose to do so. And just follow along with the on-screen prompts at this point. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.